but there is a small problem that some things in Python, they have local scope. So what does it mean? With local scope, there are some things like function, classes, and modules. We spoke about functions, we spoke a little bit about modules, but we haven't spoke about classes. So now we will focus on functions, okay? For us, it's the most important thing. So we said that if, for, while, and other thing, they are without local scope, okay? But these things are with local scope, and we need to be aware of it. So, for example, I will create a function called test, okay? And here will be student1, and I will call him David. So I will print student1, okay? I will comment this out like this. So what we will print it here? I have to, or we have to call the function, of course. So I will call it, and we can see there is David. Okay, it prints student1, and student1 is David, of course. Perfect. But again, what if I do something like this? You can see that there is a problem, right? Student1 is not defined, so it means Python said, I don't know what do you mean, what is student1? Because the function has a local scope, so it means a function has a box, okay? And you can access the student1 outside of the box. Okay, that's very important. So now if I will run it, you can see we have a name error, name student1 is not defined. Okay, perfect. So we can access it like this. Okay, so what would happen if I will try something like that? Student1, it's Harry. Okay. And now, so student1 is a string, it's a Harry. Here, student1 is David. So, and I print student1. So, I will write it like this, it doesn't matter. So, what will be printed here? It's a David or it's a Harry? So, remember, there is a box. Sorry, I want to use a yellow again. There is a box around the function. So what will be here? Here should be Harry, because this box means that the function has his own world, okay, like his own universe. So we will see, we will try that, I will run it, and you can see Harry is printed out. Okay, so this student1 is Harry, and we will print it. If we will print student1 here, so it means this will be David, because it's inside of the function, and this will be Harry, because it's a global scope. Okay, it's a global. You can access student1 anywhere you want. Okay, so we will run it, and you can see David, Harry. So here is David, here is Harry. Okay, so I hope, guys, that you understand, because this is very important, because you will use variables all the time, and you need to know how it works.